They start at 4:35. 4:35. Okay. 5 minutes always you have to give people to join. Okay. 3 minutes. Start in 2 minutes. Yep, let's start in 30 seconds. Okay, guys, let us begin. How are you guys? What's up? How's it going? Game show? What's happening in life? One second. Majani life, it seems. Uh, I don't know, man. I didn't see I saw it in the morning. I saw some of the stocks going. What today? Full seesaw mode, no? Nifty, Sensex went up, came down, went full down, again came up. RSCL hit 10%. Yes. Explio also went up today, if I was not wrong in the morning. Fuck, 20%. 20%. Shit, how much did I make then today? Not a good day. That means a good day in the market. Not bad. Yeah, Debjani, you didn't message me only on Instagram after that day. What is this? I was thinking of starting the plan today. No, I don't check, man. I don't have. I actually need to. No, I didn't get your message. Don't tell me you went and messaged some other Shashank, dude. Doka, this is. Okay, good gains for the day, guys. Good gains for the day. I am happy. Very good, very good. Not bad at all. My Insta ID is. Oh, how I'll know that now? Tell me. Let me check if it's even there. I don't think it. I didn't see it there. Okay, can you please message again, Devjani? I didn't know all these things are there candidly and all that. Okay, जो भी है. So guys, what has happened today? The market has done a very big seesaw. थोड़ा up, थोड़ा down, थोड़ा नीचे, थोड़ा आगे, थोड़ा पीछे. It's going up and down, not very great. By the way, have you guys heard of Black Widow? Have you guys heard of Black Widow? Who knows what Black Widow is? Black Widow is the Marvel movie with Scarlett Johansson, by the way, for all the people who didn't know. So apparently, it made a record, a pandemic record. It earned 60 million from Disney Plus, 80 million from theatrical debut. Right, so it made almost 140 million, and apparently it is good. A lot of people are giving good reviews about it. So it seems good. By the way, how many of you all had a nice weekend, enjoyed the weekend, relaxed? Did you guys relax on the weekend? Full relax. Yeah, apparently a lot of people saw Euro Cup last night where England, after hitting a goal in the first few minutes, in the second minute, then went on to lose. So that happened yesterday. I was watching a movie yesterday called Hasina Dil Ruba. I was quite shocked because it was quite interesting. It was quite interesting, right? Um, and yesterday was so, like, yesterday actually was a very hectic day also. Even though it was a Sunday, look at what I had to do, right, yesterday. Saturday I had gone out, so I had to come back early from wherever I had gone on Sunday back home. Then I had a master class that I had to do from 11 to 12. Okay, then I had to edit the index fund video so that I could post it in the night. Terrible editing also I did in that point. And I had the, what do you call that? One second. One second. Auntie, phone ಎತ್ತಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ್ಲಿಂದ. Ah, then what I did was I had to sit and edit the what do you call that? I had to edit the index fund video. Then I had the, what is that, weekend research with Shashank at 6 p.m. So and then I sat and watched a video. So actually by 7:38 was when I actually got free yesterday. So there goes my Sunday. And Saturday also I was somewhere else and I had to come live with very bad internet, sadly. So all that happened. So yeah, my Saturday Sunday is literally gone for a toss. But it was fun. I watched a nice movie, Hasina Dil Ruba. It was quite interesting, even though I could predict what was going to happen because I watch a lot of suspense thriller. But it was nice and interesting. Yeah. Okay. What's happening in the market? Rakesh Junjunwala to back new low-cost airline may own up to 40% stake. 40% stake. What is this new airline? Okay, apparently this new airline which Rakesh Jindal is expected to invest in is apparently named as Akasa. It's going to be called Akasa, meaning, okay, it's Akasa or Akasha, meaning the sky, and it's waiting for a no objection certificate from the Ministry of Civil Aviation. Who is this? Why is he investing in such? I thought Rakesh Jindal was a guy who invested in a lot of fundamental stocks, right? Like, isn't he like usually investing in fundamental stocks and trying to invest in that long term? Because the aviation sector has always been in a loss, like very 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 loss. It feels like Rakesh Jhunjhunwala also is doing listing gains. That'd be too funny if he does listing gains. But yeah, uh, he wants to become millionaire from billionaire is what people are saying. Yeah, the new airlines, apparently Rakesh Jindal is going to invest $35 million, which is around 260 crores. He said, he only told Economic Times that I'm investing $35 million in this new company. Interesting. Very weird. After like losing so much money, he also had 1% stake in Jet Airways. He had 1% stake in SpiceJet. Both fell down. Interglobe Aviation, which is doing well, he doesn't have stake there. So I don't know what he's doing, but interesting. I don't know, something he must have some nice new news. But look at the confidence of this promoter who's coming with Akasha. Everyone's getting killed in the market, and this guy is coming with a new, very interesting. Kitex Garments locked in 20% upper circuit following 1,000 crore investment in Telangana. There were apparently 81,000 shares pending and nobody to buy. It is locked in upper circuit. It is at 168 rupees. Guys, disclaimer, all the stocks that we talk today are only for educational purposes, not no recommendation on buying or selling. Do whatever you want to do, man. Don't trouble me. Okay? It's like what Salman Khan says. Dude, what is this Kitex, bro? 7th July, 6th June, it was at 100 rupees. Now it is at 160 rupees in like 3 days. Constant upper circuit, 20%. My God. Interesting, very interesting. Hmm. What else has happened? Don't tell me again. Tanla platforms. Have you guys heard of Tanla platforms? Tanla platform is doing another buyback. Dude, how many buybacks will you do? Didn't it recently do a buyback some few years ago? Again, it's locked in upper circuit again. I thought they did a buyback quite recent. I mean, a few years ago they done a buyback is what I thought. Paisa, too much money, bro. What is this nonsense? And they've given final dividend and they've done buyback announcement. Okay, no idea. Interesting. I thought they did a buyback recently. Anyway, ESOP plan. Maybe. So Tanla platforms again is also locked in upper circuit. I had this, but I exited this because it was too difficult to hold Tanla and Subex at the same time. So you have to choose. So we did that. Flipkart, by the way, raised $3.6 billion, now valued at $37.6 billion. It's 2022. Bro, don't scare me, bro. Bhavik, it's 2021. Why you're scaring me like this? I'll become old, bro, every time you do that. Uh, Suddenly 2022 for 1 second I had to read just to check if it was. Yeah, don't scare me like that, please. I'm already losing track of so many things to do in life. So many videos, so many things here, there, everywhere. Flipkart raises 3.6 billion, now valued at 37.6 billion dollars. I have no idea why they've. Okay, the current round will take its valuation to 37 billion, giving it more firepower to compete with Amazon, Tata Digital, Reliance in India, even as it prepares for a public listing in the US in the coming year. Interesting. Interesting. Very interesting. So they've raised another round. How many rounds are they raising, man? This is insane. Paisa hi paisa. Too much money. Paytm shareholders get nod to raise 12,000 crores. Founder Vijay Shekhar Sharma to be declassified as a promoter. Oh shit. So okay. So the issue will have a secondary element as well, where existing shareholders will sell their shares, and this will bring the total amount to 16,600. Guys, this is going to be a massive IPO of 16,600, where a lot of people will take their money and walk away, right? The old news, I don't think this came out today, man, that it's going to be he's going to be declassified as a promoter today. Why? Because he doesn't have the minimum 20% stake. Shekhar Sharma. So he doesn't have 20% stake because Alibaba owns 38%. Alibaba and Ant Group owns 38%. SoftBank owns 18%. Safe Partners owns 17%. Dude, they're gonna make some insane amount of money. Safe, nice. Zomato IPO is also coming. I think we spoke about this yesterday, so I'm not gonna talk about Zomato more. Hmm. Interesting. Ola raised another 100 million in debt for two-wheeler electric vehicle hub in Lona. Look at this very interesting news. Goa extends lockdown till July 19, but gyms are allowed to reopen with 50% capacity. So now, if you go to Goa, we'll see all bulked up people because gyms are the only thing that's open with 50% capacity. So that's going to be quite interesting for uh, people to people to watch. Oh, look at this. Uh, Apparently, the premium on gold prices in India is going to drop by approximately 50%. But the premium is $1.5 an ounce. So gold prices, as you can see a slight dip. But again, when we're coming close to Diwali, right? Next big thing is Diwali. So the rally up to Diwali for gold will again be quite significant. Okay, 1 second. Okay, what else? Oh, by the way, Maruti Suzuki has announced price hike for its Swift and all CNG variants. Now, Swift is going to become slightly expensive. How many of y'all in the audience have a Swift? They're going to increase it by 15,000 rupees. The increase in ex-showroom prices, Delhi is up to 15,000 rupees on the above models, is what they're saying for some variant. Interesting. Okay, I mean, they're making enough money anyway, so I don't think that's such a big issue for them, to be honest. Dude, nowadays, when you open news, the only thing that you see is IPO, 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 Zomato IPO, Paytm IPO, Ola IPO. All the big guns are coming out with an IPO. Is there any trending IPO that you guys are seeing apart from this? Because Zomato, we already finished one nice document. We need to do something else. We need to learn about something else, right? Gautam Adani just gave a nice quote. I like to see Gautam. Oh, LIC, Nika. Yes, you're right. Correct, correct. LIC, Nika. LIC will be interesting, very, very interesting. Gautam Adani has come out and given one thing saying India's consumption story will create 15 trillion economy, says Gautam Adani. This guy is guts, bro. Like beautiful guts. His own net worth has gone up to by maybe $15 billion just this year, much more than $15 billion. This is called guts, guys. Interesting fellow. Very interesting fellow. Hmm. Just checking if there is some. Rajnikant said no plans to enter politics in the future. Okay, thank you, Rajnikant, for not coming into politics. That would be something very weird. Then some new scandal will come out, and we don't want to see Rajnikant in such a scandal. Oh, okay, interesting. Ola scooter is planning to launch very soon, guys. The new Ola electric scooter was driven by Bhavesh Agarwal today. Apparently, the scooter can charge up to 50% in 18 minutes because of the fast charger. 18 minutes में 50% charge will happen in the scooter. They have not officially announced the launch date yet, but there is news that they're going to launch it very soon. The company did mention that 50% charge will give them 75 kilometers of range. मतलब total in a single charge you'll have 150-kilometer range, which is not bad for India because I don't think anyone will go around 1 lakh kilometers. By the way, look at this. Agarwal announced, very important guys, Agarwal announced that they will be setting up over 1 lakh charging stations across 400 cities and towns in the country. The company will be setting up 5,000 charging points as a part of this network in the first year itself. Bhavesh Agarwal. Guys, EV is coming and it is here to stay. Okay, and this will be like the new, when 4G, 3G, 2G, 1G, 5G came, we saw all this, what do you call that? We saw all these tower plays happening. If you had the tower here, if you had the tower there, your connectivity was better if you had a tower everywhere. So this is something similar where now it's all about charging stations, right? So it's very interesting to see. But I think Ola is making their own charging station if I'm not wrong. Let me see. Or have they tied up with someone? But they're raising some insane amount of money, guys. They're raising a lot of money. They raised another $100 million just to keep this alive. They're raising a lot. Apparently, in August 2021, the Ola Electric is going to open pre-orders for its scooters. So in next month, basically, they're going to open the pre-orders for it. Wow. So they're going to actually, so that means in the space right now, we'll have two main players, right? It'll be Ather Electric and it'll be uh, Ola Electric. Ather Energy and Ather Energy. Ola is going to rent scooters or sell. I think currently they're planning to sell, but I mean, pretty sure they'll just come up and they'll just come up and do this, right? Hero Electric Vehicles to invest 700 crores in business expansion by 2025. So Hero's just come out and said they're going to invest another 700 crores, which is again how much exactly? 1 million. Okay. They're planning an annual capacity of 10 lakh units. Okay. Besides increasing the production plant at Ludhiana to 3 lakh units per annum. So they're also going aggressive. Dude, this is going to be such a beautiful play. Guys, get ready with your capital for electric vehicle segment. It is going to be the next big thing that's going to come across, right? So just be ready. Start investing in the right bets, and don't stress so much about anything else. Just start investing in, yeah. The safest would be LXC, in my opinion, because it is an IT player catering to 5G and it is catering to EV. Imagine a company that's catering to 5G and EV. I would take that as a bet. Electric small case, I haven't seen it. Let me just check now. Give me 1 second. Let me check what is electric small case. I know it is there, but I don't know what is inside. Like, I've not seen what is. Let me check what is there inside. Mm, Also, come on, guys, you can invest by yourself, no, in all these. I mean, you can do your own small cases. I mean, I'm pretty much taught you guys enough on how to invest in make your own things and invest, right? Don't tell me now you have to go buy something. But let me see what is there in this. Amar Raja Battery, Exide Industry, Endurance Technology, Motherson Sumi, Sundaram Fasteners, Greaves Cotton, Hero Motocorp, Indian Oil, KPIT, Mahindra, Power Grid, Tata Power, Tata Elxsi. There are a lot of stocks in this that I wouldn't keep, to be honest. There are a lot of things that I wouldn't keep, guys. I would rather just go. I have already made an EV small case, Tonmei. I've already made it. It's there in my last thing. No, I don't think I gave it to you guys. I think I made it for. No, I just made a Tata small case. I don't think I gave it to you guys, no? I made a Tata EVs. Dude, the Tata EVs, the Tata small case is the Tata EV small case. It's the same thing. The Tata small case is the Tata EV small case. The entire thing that I bought there was there. The Tata long term is with respect to EV only. Samjhe? Where can we get that? It's there on YouTube. Just go to YouTube and oh, come on. Just go to YouTube. Yeah, just go to YouTube and type small case Shashank. You will see one latest videos there, paid versus free. I think it's there. Percentage matters, yes. Oh my God. Okay, some magazine called Open Magazine wants me to write an article in their magazine which goes to print tomorrow and the deadline is 10 p.m. today. Dude, why do you guys do this? Some eight questions, dude. You know how boring it is to answer and reply to questions. Okay, fine. Yeah, so I think you guys should do your own research on the small case. Obviously, don't take my word for it. And by the way, you guys are now very smart. Okay, you guys are smart enough to figure out some good stocks. Once we make this once the community suite is built on what do you call that? Once scenes ka new product features come out, right, which is going to come out in maybe a month or two, maybe month and a half, the new features will come out. As soon as the new features come out, you will see that a lot of new features are there where you don't even need me to interact with each other. Actually, you guys can jump on voice rooms and talk to each other without me, right? You guys can do a lot of things without me, and that way you guys can do research with each other. There's going to be more of a community. Currently now it is me coming and running the community. We're moving towards a place where the community will be there, and you guys can, very similar to Discord, where you guys can go and talk to each other. Bajaj Healthcare shares went down because of a fire accident in Gujarat. Yes, Discord type. So that's going to be cool. So all of you would be can chill together. You can share resources together. I'll make Debjani one of the mods also, so she can handle and do some research for everyone. We can make a separate tab for the files that Debjani does research on, so we can do a lot of things. Yeah. So either way, whatever it is, just everything back to the community. That is a good thing, right? What else? Let me just check. Did you guys see the index fund video that I put up yesterday? Where did it go? Yeah. Did you guys get a basic understanding of how it is and what it is? Like a basic understanding? Because a lot of people didn't, I'm pretty sure a lot of people didn't know what tracking error is, right? A lot of people didn't know what, yeah, horrible editing. I agree. Sorry, man. Yeah, the editing was slightly bad. You saw the transitions, No, because after shooting, I realized I did so many mistakes. And then I couldn't, like, I'd already put my clothes for wash. So then I couldn't reshoot with a different t-shirt, which would make it quite obvious that I reshot it. So then I started doing voiceover over it. And then I realized it became a worst kitchidi when I did voiceover over it. It became even more horrible. Then I'm like, dude, as long as people understand the value in this and people understand the concept, I'm okay with that. Chalo, done. So that is why I just released it. Either which way, I hope the concept came out no clearly. That is why I like doing lives. I hate doing recorded because when I'm doing live, no, in the flow I can talk. Knowledge greater than presentation and editing. Yeah, I know exactly. Knowledge is more important. Whoever's there for presentation, it's fine. I'm not a guy who's always been very big on presentation. If you've ever noticed the way I work, oh, by the way, I'll tell you something crazy that happened yesterday, right? Remember, I was doing, I don't know how many of you all were there for my weekend research yesterday. But we were checking Manorama Industries. Bloody hell, Manorama Industries went up so much. I was saying I'm going to look at this more, this, that. You know what happened to Manorama Industries today? Up by 16% up. Manorama Industries. Yeah. So either way, I was doing that, and some people didn't like my background because that background was made on PowerPoint presentation. So then I said, anyone in the community can come and give me a background. I'll be very happy. Literally within I think a few minutes, someone actually came yesterday and gave me a nice background. Right? Come on, someone gave me a nice background. I think his name, I forgot his name, but I'll give a mention in the next weekend research session. So he gave me a beautiful background which looks so cool. I'm going to use that in my next weekend research. Yeah, from the past 2 months, whichever stock you say you're gonna look goes up significantly. Dude, the problem is right now, guys, we're living in a bull market where everything's going up, right? So as long as what you are holding is going up, I'm okay with that. So whatever I'm holding right now, my top 24 stocks, it is all going up. So I'm very chilled about it. If the top 24 stocks are not going up, I might change something, right? Now I have one stock that I might change, but I'm just waiting for the result to come. Right, I'm gonna wait for who's that? Aarti Surfactants result to come out because that moves only when the result comes, right? It doesn't move in the middle. So every time the result comes out, it goes up by 50%, and you can see it in the chart patterns also how it goes up. So I'm just waiting for the result of this quarter to come out. Have they announced it? 30th June closure of trading window. So as soon as that comes out, right? Board recommends final dividend 3 rupees dividend. Whoa, whoa. Did you see that on May 21st, Aarti Surfactants gave 30% dividend, 3 rupees dividend? The result will come by June, July. Yeah. Did you see Ankur Wariku's new video on bull markets? No. Dude, Ankur Wariku is just too fast, man. I don't have. If. Leave it. I don't want to talk about it. It's okay. It's fine. How you can make money in a bull market investing tips for beginners. What is it about? Can someone give me a quick summary? Wait, is he telling just do SIP? Is he saying do an SIP? Pretty basic stuff. Okay. I mean, in the bull market, that's the thing, right? In the bull market, everyone makes money, guys. To be honest, understand that in the bull market, everyone makes money. The real question is, after the bull market, in a horrible market, okay, after the bull market, when the market is dead, that time if someone's giving you 20-25% returns, that should blow your mind away. That is a true investor, that is a smart investor. Bull market में the people who give you 20% returns, at least basic 20% returns, are considered decent. I wouldn't call them great. I would consider them decent, right? Matlab, there are so many people in the stock market, even in this market, by the way, they're not getting 20%. Huh? Why? Because they don't have discipline. They'll invest in something and they'll remove their money, and then they'll invest in something and again remove their money. All that will happen. So in a bull market, you should make more than 20%. In a bear market, if someone gives you 20%, someone makes 20%, that is the key. So what we will do, I'm just waiting for the bear market because that is something that I'm interested in as well. In the bear market, we will do an experiment. We will make one small case and see in the bear market, or I will just put a pool of stocks and we'll see in 1 year of the bear market, can we beat the odds, right? That will be fun. If we can get 20-25% return in a bear market, oh, that'll be so good. That'll be so good. Then I think I'll actually go become a SEBI registered advisor and start a PMS. What do you guys think? Like, if it's really that's the case, if I can actually go in the bear market and see, it'll be really great. So apparently, it's very expensive to get a SEBI registered advisor tag. Apparently, you need to pay 25 lakhs and then write some exams and a lot of other things. Um, by the way, I don't know whether I told you guys, but I spoke to, remember I told you guys I'm interviewing Anil Lamba on Friday? It was one of the most interesting conversations ever. I'm gonna put a lot of videos about it, on it, around it, but so many unique concepts. Did you guys see what I posted on Instagram yesterday with respect to what Anil Lamba said? Very interesting. See his take on things, or how he connects dots and how he looks at the take from different perspective, right? These are the things that blow my mind when you talk to someone who's as good. When I was talking to him, he was telling me so many things that I've told you in the past. When you see the interview, you'll be like, dude, these are all the things Shashank said, right? He's like, insurance is insurance, it's not a savings account, right? Real estate is like little different today. There's so many things. Now I'm going to post the interview, but it's very interesting to see how finance experts think and look at the world. If I'm looking at things differently and there is someone else looking at things even more differently, imagine how beautiful that is, right? And that post that I put on Instagram yesterday was so cool. What it said was, if there's a company and they're not making money by selling their own products, but you can make more money in a company by buying or selling shares, then the founders will, instead of focusing on selling their own products, they will focus on selling their shares. Okay, buying and selling their shares. And when that happens, you will see a lot of promoters reducing their stake, removing their money, blah 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 blah. All that will happen, right? So it's so interesting to watch, guys. Very, very. It's always good to be in the room with smart people, is what I would say, right? So this is what it is. One second. Okay, finally, I think I found Debjani's account. Okay, cool. Yeah, if you're the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room. See, the thing is, I always like to be surrounded with people who are very smart, right? I want to be surrounded with people who are smarter than me, in fact. I don't want to be in a room where I'm the smartest and I'm not surrounded by smart people, right? There's this saying that you should always fly with the eagles and not with the pigeons. So, the only way you can upgrade yourself is to be with people who will upgrade you as an individual. If you are always if you're always with people who are not smart, right? If you're always with people who are, if you are smarter than them, then one day or the other you will realize, dude, I need to surround myself with much smarter people, and you have to leave that group. So you have to always be the smarter one in the room. No, that's the thing. No, Ayush, I wouldn't call myself the smartest person in the room, because I look at this as whatever I do here, I look at it as a give and take relationship, right? Give and take, because I come and talk about things and I try connecting the dots, do some type of research, try to find patterns. Then you guys come and tell me something that, Shashank, have you looked at this? And I'm like, dude, this is so interesting. I never looked at this. And then we all come to know about something new. So it would be a one-sided thing if I'm not learning anything from you guys, right? Then I would be the smartest person in the room because I know everything. But here, that's not the case. There's so many different unique perspectives that I get from you guys as well. So that's interesting. Shashank, you research every day for how many hours? I don't research every day for how many hours. I only do research on Saturday, Sunday. Saturday, Sunday, I literally spend more than 5 hours reading. Literally spend more because I tell you what happens. Monday to Fridays, news keeps coming, right? Constantly in the market, something or the other is happening. Markets going up, markets going down. All that crap keeps happening in the market, right? So I don't like to be. I don't want to get into that FOMO from Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday is when I sit and I do my research. So that is when I take around 4 or 5 hours reading lot of articles, keep reading articles. Now I'm going to do 1 hour research with you guys as well, looking at more stocks. So see, all that I get from you guys. So it's a give and take relationship the way I see it. It's not one sided. And that I keep telling this in the stock market, right? It is not I win and you lose. In the stock market, you can literally be all of us win together. I've said this 100 times. So all the people who think that I will make money and you guys will not make does not matter. That's not how it works. Everyone should make money, or else someone else will make and go. Anyway, a lot of people are doing it. So why not we make a community that only for smart people? Imagine everyone in the community has a homework, right? 293 people listening in this podcast, in these scenes, everyone has a homework that they have to find one golden gem, one good stock. Just imagine that 292 people finding one good stock. I mean, it's insane, right? I mean, obviously, you can't buy 292 stocks, but after you take those 292 damn good stocks, we can actually cut it down to 25 top 25 stocks. Imagine all the 293 people who are really smart and know exactly how to do market research can find out 25 of the top stocks according to everyone, and I will sit and do the final research. We have Davneet, we have Debjani, we have Japanjeet. There are so many people. We have Anish, all of them who know exactly how to look at things from a different thing. Make 20, 25 stocks and then keep it. And then whether a bull market comes or whether a bear market comes, if you stick together, no, you will beat it. That's the way I look at it, right? If you do it individually, then you'll fall into FOMO. Imagine there will be something that you've bought is falling down, but then the remaining people are like, guys, don't worry, this is good. Let's just stick to it. Let's just see what happens, right? And you might not sell it, and it might actually go up tomorrow. We don't know. Or we will all invest in something and maybe it goes down by 5%, maybe it goes down by 10%. It's possible. I'm not saying you should not be in the assumption that even if it's top 25, it'll always go up. There will be definitely something that goes down. Then we can all take a call and say, you know what, this has gone down to 10%. This is our stop loss. Let's find another stock and put it in this top 25. You remember that movie Super 30 from Hrithik Roshan, right? You remember that Super 30? Yeah, so we should have something very similar, like Super 20. Just 20 stocks, that's it. 20. That's it. More than enough. Super 20, right? Something like that. We'll do all that after a month. Let the scenes app get launched, let the final app get launched, and then once the community suite is built, it'll become very easy for us to do everything, right? So we will sit peacefully and do everything at that point. So we'll do all that. But this is what I keep saying, the power of community. No, it's not going to be called Shank 20 or Shashank 20 or nothing. It's not my small case. It's the community small case. Or it's the not let's not call it small case, it's the community stocks, right? So let's call it just, whatever, T20 or Super 20 or whatever you guys want to call it, right? But it's the community driven approach. It is not my approach. I am just an advisor, but we will look at it together and make it together, is what I'm saying. And then winning depends on everyone. It's not my winning or your winning. I'm not going to shut it off and not show you everything. Everyone will have access to it. Everyone will see it. Any changes, everyone will see it in that channel, right? There will be discussions on it. Imagine that. Anything that changes, there will be discussions. In fact, if you guys want to play it even smarter, you can assign one person from the community who will track one stock out of the 20 always. Just imagine that 20 people are assigned with the job of just tracking those 20 stocks, so that now I don't have to sit and look at 20 stocks. I have to look at one stock, and anything that you find out about that one stock, you post it on the channel, and everyone understands that. So imagine how that would begin. You will be updated with those top 20, and then if you have another 5 stocks that you are keeping in the watch list, which you know is damn good, we can have 5 people tracking that also. Suddenly something changes in that 5 and it becomes better, and there is something in our top 20 that's not moving, we'll switch that out and put in the top 20. right? So this is how you use the power of community, but with a disclaimer. Huh? Tomorrow then I don't want some random guy saying I lost 10 lakhs because of this community doing to super 20 top 20 I am minus 20%. All that crap nonsense I don't want. So I don't want my name also attached to this. I don't want credit also. We will keep it as a community driven approach with a beautiful disclaimer right on top saying none of us are SEBI registered. We are a community that does research together. Please go invest with your own risk. Do not, you cannot come and tell us anything. No, guys, I'm not kidding. You guys might be laughing right now, but there are people, right? When there's a bear market that comes, some people don't understand the bear market, right? They'll if they lose money, they'll blame you. They'll blame the community. They'll be like, this community is shit. This is a horrible community. I got lost and all that. All that crap will start. That's why it's very scary. When it's a bull run, everyone's happy, but when it's a bear run, no one blames themselves. They will always blame someone else. So either they'll blame me, okay, or they'll blame the community, saying that don't join this community. This is a shit community. All bad things they're recommending. You'll see all this happening. If you don't believe me, watch it. I've seen this happening in the past. In the good times, everyone's happy. In the bad times, people like to point finger, right? And that's the best part, right? Because no one is forcing someone to invest. Everyone's doing it out of their own logic. So that's very sad what happens. But that's what we'll put a nice disclaimer saying that what, this is only for educational purposes. We are not forcing you or telling you to buy or sell. So nobody can come tomorrow and blame us for anything. Or I would say just we should just lock it off and keep it. Like I can just lock it and make it a private channel, so only the smart people can enter and look at it. But that would actually be mean and defeats the purpose of a community, which I don't want to do. But let's see. देखते will see. But again, time है उसके लिए. There's another 1 month, 1 month for it. After 1 month, the whole app will change, dude. So you will see that. Okay, it'll become much, 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 much better. Anil Lamba interview next week. It'll come up. I'm still working on it. I'm doing some editing to it. Next week आ जाएगा. Cool, awesome, guys. Screen share, everything will come slowly. Don't worry. Awesome. Chalo, that's it, guys. That's it for my time. I have another call now. So I'll see you guys later, okay? Chalo. See you guys. Have a great time. Bye bye.